the flaw that created beauty. It is said that an elderly woman would go every day to a stream, carrying 2 large jars hung at the ends of a stick placed over her shoulders. One of the jars was perfectly intact and kept the water until she reached home, while the other had a small crack, causing half of the water to leak out during the return journey. For 2 full years, the woman would return home every day with 1 jar full and the other only half full. The intact jar was proud and content with its ability to perform its task perfectly, while the cracked jar felt embarrassed and saddened, thinking it wasn't fulfilling its role as it should. One morning, by the edge of the stream, the cracked jar spoke in a sorrowful voice. "I'm sorry, I feel guilty because I can't hold the water properly. Every time I return with you, I feel like I've let you down." The woman smiled kindly and said, "Did you notice that the flowers only grow on your side of the path? I knew from the beginning that you were leaking, so I planted seeds on your side, and every day you watered them without knowing." She added, "If it weren't for you, those flowers wouldn't have grown, and my house wouldn't be filled with their beauty." Moral: perfection doesn't always create value. Sometimes it is the imperfection that holds true beauty. Accept yourself as you are, for your flaw may be a blessing to others and a beauty you cannot see with your own eyes.